Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Did you know you can upgrade your home, lower your bills, and make it more eco-friendly all for under $50 per project? Today, I'm sharing 10 simple home improvements that anyone can do. No contractor, no special tools, and no big budget required. These are absolutely perfect for retirees, renters, and homeowners who want more comfort and savings without the hassle. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about some incredibly easy and cheap upgrades. Number 1 is switching to LED light bulbs. This is such a simple change, but it makes a huge difference. LED bulbs use up to 75% less energy than traditional bulbs, and they can last for years. To get the most bang for your buck, start by replacing the bulbs in the rooms you use most, like your kitchen, bathroom, and living room. You'll see the savings on your next energy bill. Number 2 is adding weather stripping to your doors and windows. Most homes lose a surprising amount of energy through tiny, almost invisible gaps around frames. A roll of weather stripping costs under $10, and you can install it yourself in minutes. This simple fix can immediately lower your heating and cooling bills by preventing drafts. It's one of the fastest ways to make your home more comfortable and efficient. Next, at number 3, install low-flow shower heads. A lot of people worry that low flow means low pressure, but modern designs are amazing. They'll save a ton of water and the money you spend heating that water, all without sacrificing a great shower experience. Seriously, it's a 5-minute upgrade. You just screw the old one off and the new one on. It's a win for your wallet and a win for the planet. Our 4th easy upgrade is using smart power strips. Did you know that many of your electronics keep using power even when they're turned off? This is called phantom energy, and it adds up. Smart power strips automatically cut power to devices that are in standby mode, which can save you over $100 a year. Just plug it in and let it do the work. Now let's move into some simple, sustainable changes for a healthier home. Number 5 is starting a small indoor herb garden. Having fresh herbs right on your windowsill is amazing. They can help improve your indoor air quality, save you money at the grocery store, and they just make your space feel more alive. If you're a beginner, try starting with easy-to-grow herbs like basil, mint, or rosemary. All you need is a sunny spot. At number 6, switch to eco-friendly cleaning products. You don't need a cabinet full of harsh chemicals to keep your house clean. Simple ingredients like white vinegar, baking soda, and Castile soap are incredibly effective, much cheaper than store-bought cleaners, and better for your health and the air you breathe. It's a back-to-basics approach that really works. Number 7 is to start composting your food scraps. And yes, you can do this even in an apartment. There are small countertop composters and compact bin systems designed for small spaces. Composting dramatically reduces the amount of trash you send to the landfill, and as a bonus, it creates nutrient-rich soil for your plants or that herb garden we just talked about. It's a fantastic green habit to get into. Finally, let's look at 3 upgrades that can actually add value to your home. At number 8, refresh your cabinets with peel and stick vinyl or contact paper. If your kitchen or bathroom cabinets are looking dated, this is a game changer. You can completely transform the look of a room without a messy, expensive remodel. And the best part? It's completely renter-friendly and removable when you're ready for a change. Number 9 is adding solar outdoor lights. These are brilliant for improving your home's safety and curb appeal, and there's absolutely no wiring needed. Just stick them in the ground along a pathway in your garden or near your entrance. They charge during the day and automatically turn on at night, providing beautiful light without using any electricity from your home. And our final tip, number 10, is to declutter and organize. This one is completely free and can have a massive impact. A well-organized home not only feels bigger and more inviting, which adds perceived value, but it also significantly reduces stress. Don't try to tackle everything at once. Just start small with 1 drawer, 1 shelf, or 1 closet. The momentum will build from there. So, which one of these upgrades will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your projects. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves an easy home project. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.